So hi guys, in this video I'll be telling you how to uninstall magisk v25 and successfully remove your root access from your phone. So the prerequisites are: first you need to be rooted. Let me just show you that. As you can see, my phone is installed magisk v25 and Zydisk is yes and RAM is also yes, and the installed app version is v25. So the prerequisites are: you need to download the magisk APK from the official website. Click on this, the magisk APK will get downloaded, and go to your downloads folder in your phone and rename the APK into uninstaller.zip. Once your phone is successfully renamed to uninstaller.zip, you can reboot your phone into recovery. So you need to go to wipe, advanced wipe, and select your direct card cache and swipe to wipe. Then go into home. You can go into install and select the uninstaller.zip. Do not select anything else and just swipe to confirm flash. And you can see it says magisk 25 uninstaller, so it will be uninstalling your root and replacing your boot image with the stock one. So as it says, please uninstall the magisk app manually. So you have to reboot in the system, then you have to uninstall the app, but the root is completely removed. So the other way of removing root is you can go to advanced and select flash current TWRP, then you can swipe to confirm. So now when your TWRP is flashed, you will see a message like this, that if your device was previously rooted, then your root has been overwritten and you'll have to be reinstalling the root. So this also works, and this method also works. So now we can reboot into system and we can search for the magisk app. And as you can see, the app isn't deleted, we need to uninstall it manually. And as you can see, it says magisk installed unavailable, so your root is removed. And that is all for this video. Please like, add and subscribe. Bye.